Welcome to my channel for another episode of GeoKnowledge. Today, the topic of discussion is natural vegetation. We will find out the definition of natural vegetation and the different types of natural vegetation found in India. So first thing first, what is natural vegetation? Natural vegetation refers to the undisturbed flora of a region which grows naturally without any human interference. That means that the wild growth of plants that we see around ourselves to which we have not contributed, that is considered as natural vegetation. There are two factors which affect this growth of vegetation. These are temperature and precipitation. Temperature may be high or low. Precipitation also varies in its form and quantity. Depending upon these two factors, the type of vegetation may vary from place to place. So the places with high temperature and heavy rainfall will have a specific type of vegetation. Places with high temperature and low rainfall will have another type of vegetation. In the same way, moderate temperature with moderate precipitation will have a different type of vegetation. So they are the most important factors which control the growth of natural vegetation. On the basis of the two controlling factors, that is temperature and precipitation, we have classified the natural vegetation into 5 categories. So we see forests, we see grasslands, desert vegetation which is normally found in the arid region, altitudinal vegetation which is found in the mountainous region, and aquatic or marine type of vegetation. Our area of study is India. So we will study about different type of natural vegetation found in India. We have to remember that India has a huge physical diversity. There are plains, mountains, plateaus, desert. So depending upon all these physical features and the two controlling factors which are different in different physical regions, therefore we have almost all the types of vegetation. Let's see what are the specific type of vegetation that we have. According to the classification of natural vegetation, the first category is of forest. India has tropical rain forests. These forests are dense and they have multi-layered structure. Multi-layered structure means there are trees of different height. There are small plants, there are medium-sized trees, and there are very tall trees. So they present a layered appearance. Besides that, there are different types of trees found in the forest, and all the trees have a different shedding time period. That means throughout the year, there may not be a time when the forests do not look green. Therefore, they are called as evergreen forests. The trees are tall and they have hardwood. Because of hardwood, the trees have very high commercial value. The leaves of the trees are broad. Because these are found in the place where the temperature is high, the rate of evaporation is also high. To prevent that excess loss of water due to transpiration, the leaves are broad. Let's take a look at the areas where tropical rainforests are found. These are generally found in the areas where rainfall is more than 200 cm in a year, and the range of temperature is between 15 to 30 degrees Celsius. That means high temperature and heavy rainfall. In India, this type of forests are found in the western slopes of the Western Ghats, which are located in Kerala and Karnataka, and on the hills of Jaintia and Khasi, which are found in northeastern states. Here we can see some images of the trees which are found in the tropical evergreen forests. These are ebony, mahogany, and rosewood. In these images, we can see the multi-layered structure and the thick density of vegetation growth in tropical rainforests. Under the category of forests, India has tropical deciduous forests also. Tropical deciduous forests have trees with medium height, and these trees have leaves which are broad, medium, small in different sizes. They do not have a very high variety of trees like tropical evergreen vegetation, but these trees together shed their leaves. That means for about 6 to 8 weeks during dry season, all the trees shed their leaves. Therefore, the forests do not look green throughout the year. The trees have hardwood. Because of that, they are exploited. Normally, in these forests, the entry is not difficult because unlike tropical evergreen forests, these forests have clear ground. So, entry is easy. For commercial purpose, trees can be cut easily. There are small patches of grasslands in the forests which are used for grazing purpose. Let's have a look at the distribution of tropical deciduous forests in India. These forests are also called as monsoon forests because they are affected by the monsoon rainfall. They are found in the areas where the rainfall received in a year is between 75 to 200 centimeter. These areas have a specific dry and rainy season. There, the range of temperature is also very high. They occur on the wetter eastern side of the Western Ghats, the northeastern part of the Deccan Plateau, and the lower slopes of the Himalayas on the Shivalik Hills from Jammu in the west to West Bengal in the east. They cover parts of Chhattisgarh, Orissa, Bihar, Jharkhand, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. These are some commonly found trees in deciduous forests. These are teak, bamboo, shisham and arjun. Desert vegetation. This is the third category of vegetation. This vegetation consists of low and open forests, thorny bushes, scrubs and coarse grass. The trees are short to medium in height. They have leaves which are small in size. In some cases, the leaves turn into spine because these are found in the areas where temperature is high, rate of evaporation is high, but the precipitation is low. So, to preserve moisture and to prevent the excessive loss of water, the leaves often turn themselves into spines. The trees have long radiating roots because water is not found very close to the surface of the earth. In order to get water, the roots have the tendency to extend themselves. Desert type of vegetation is found in the areas where temperature is high, the range of temperature is high, and the amount of rainfall received in a year is very low. It's just 50 to 75 centimeter. The forests are found in semi-arid and arid regions of India, the desert of Rajasthan, western and southern part of Punjab and Haryana, parts of Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh, drier areas of Deccan Plateau. Some commonly found trees of desert vegetation are palm, hikar, babool and acacia. We have come to the fourth category of vegetation, that is altitudinal vegetation, often called as mountain vegetation. Mountain vegetation is highly affected by the altitude. According to the height, the temperature changes. With increasing height, the temperature decreases. This decrease in temperature affects the type of precipitation received by the place. That means there may be snowfall because of low temperature. Both the factors, temperature and precipitation, since they affect the vegetation type, therefore they together decide whether the trees will have broad leaves or they will have needle-shaped leaves. Normally, The trees found along the foothills of Himalayas have broad leaves. Let's see what the other trees have. What are the other features of mountain vegetation? We will see that now. As the height increases, the size of leaves and the shape of trees change. At a higher altitude, the leaves have needle shape and the trees have conical shape. In the previous slide, we have studied that in the lower reaches of Himalayas, the trees have broad leaves, unlike this feature where at a higher altitude, the leaves have needle shape. There are alpine grasslands at a height of more than 3,500 meter, and above the height of 5,000 meter, the trees have stunted growth. They become short, and there are mosses and lichens. These are some trees found in the mountain vegetation. We can see cedar and chir in this slide. Some more trees which are found in the mountain vegetation are spruce, oak, chestnut and silver fir. This is the fifth category of vegetation, that is aquatic vegetation. We have mangrove and tidal forests. These forests are dense and they are impenetrable. They do not have a variety, but they are evergreen in nature. That means they also do not have a specific time for shedding their leaves. They help in stabilizing the shoreline and protect the coast from erosion. Since these trees are found in marshy, swampy areas, therefore the leaves modify themselves. The leaves are fleshy and padded so that they can prevent themselves from getting decomposed. The trees have long roots which are often visible above the ground. Mangrove forests are found in the deltas of rivers in tropical and subtropical regions of the world. In India, these forests are found in the deltas of Ganga, Godavari and Mahanadi along the east coast. Northern Andaman and Nicobar Islands also have mangrove forests. Sundarban Delta has largest tidal forests in the world. Some trees which are found in mangrove forests are Sundari, Agar, coconut and palm. What have we studied today? Let's recap that. Natural growth of plants is termed as natural vegetation. Two factors which affect the growth of natural vegetation are temperature and precipitation. Natural vegetation is classified as forests, grasslands, desert vegetation, altitudinal vegetation and marine vegetation. Natural vegetation in which the trees do not have a fixed season of shedding leaves is called evergreen vegetation. Natural vegetation in which all the trees shed their leaves together during a dry season is called deciduous vegetation. Type of vegetation in which the trees have very small leaves or leaves are in the form of spines is called desert vegetation. Type of natural vegetation which changes according to the increasing height from the surface of the earth is called altitudinal or mountain vegetation. Natural vegetation that grows in the deltaic region is called mangrove or tidal vegetation. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you find the information useful. For more updates on geography, visit and like my Facebook page and website. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel.